People have asked me what is the best way to start looking for work. My response is always right now with networking. You may not realise it, but your best tool when looking for work is to network. Now don't cringe, I know what you're thinking. Librarianship is a small field, and particularly in Australia, everyone knows everyone else. Therefore, it's to your advantage to go to industry events to learn and to be seen. In this way, networking is a constant. It's an action that should motivate you to show an interest in your profession and help you strategically plan your next move. Most people know that it's good practice when you're applying for a job to do a little bit of research, like looking at the company, finding out what department you'll be working in, check out their values, speak the language. It's the same for networking. You do a little bit of research about the event or conference that you want to attend. You find out about the people or the group hosting it. How long have they been doing it? What are their values? So I guess what I'm saying is your first step to effective networking is to research. Now that you've got a sense of the event, you'd best attend it. Some say that it's great to bring a mate along with you to events that you're going to for the first time. I, however, would recommend you don't. There's also the potential that it might backfire if your mate ends up telling a funny yet not entirely appropriate story of some antics he got up to over Christmas. It can be hard to wipe that type of first impression from a potential employer's mind. When you're at the event, listen to the speakers and try to have some questions in mind to ask after they've finished. Be honest when you talk to people afterwards. Mention why the event drew you in and ask them what they liked about it. Keep in mind the benefits of networking don't happen overnight. It'll take time for people to recognise you at events, so keep at it, because this is your chance to connect with people. After a while, you'll recognise people and they'll recognise you. And this is your chance to build a more complete picture of yourself for them. Talk about your studies or an issue that you've had at work. It's at this point that you're on display for future employers. So always be respectful, especially when you encounter a point of view that may be different from your own. And so without even realizing it, you've built yourself a network. And this will be the perfect time to start following up with the people that you've met. Find out about training that they've been to and ask their opinion of it. If you find out about something that they are interested in, let them know. You will get out of networking what you put in. With that thought in mind, when asked, I like to help the people in my network, because you never know when or how that help will be returned. Below in the doobly-doo, did I just say that? Okay. Below in the description, I've got links to various places where you can network online or in person, because there are way too many of them for me to mention here. But if you think I forgot any, write them in the comments below, because I'd love to hear about them. So, to recap, what are the steps of networking? Research, connect, follow up, and help out. I hope this video has been helpful and given you some idea on how to tackle networking. Stay tuned for my next video, because it will be about your online presence and how to make it shine. Steve TBA.
Bye bye.